In this section, we covered all of the great features of MVC and MVC6. Some of the great MVC6 features we associate in our views is view components, where we can implement dependency injection into our views and associate our entity data model across all of the different pages associated and inherited from our main shared layout page. We covered controllers, views, and models. We also created our login layout for our application. We also covered how to migrate from RC2 to the final version of .NET 1.0. Microsoft announced the new version of .NET Core 1.0, and now we're finally at the point where there's no more release candidates. Going forward, this will be the version associated with 1.0. There will be minor changes as we go forward, and any of those changes, we will associate the changes inside of our lecture series. And what we have on deck next is Entity Framework Core and ASP.NET Web API, which is now merged into MVC6. The reason why I want to separate that and the associated features of MVC6 is that we want to build API endpoint services, because when we delve into AngularJS 2, implement some client-side HTTP requests, we will consume our requests from AngularJS 2 to our API endpoint. We will serialize and deserialize that data to associate with our different CRUD operations. So we will implement and look at Entity Framework Core, build our database context to associate with our application, and then we will look at our API endpoint services to pull some of that data associated with our database context. So I look forward to seeing you in the next lecture, and we will delve into all the great features of Entity Framework Core 1.0 and building API endpoints.